Hello family, welcome to my channel. Do you like what you see? Well, let me show you step by step how I made this meal. So first of all, I started by washing and patting drying my catfish. So I just had the small one in the freezer. I had to top it with another fish to make it bigger and enough for both of us. So I had to cook my fish with just salt and Stockcube. This process is very important to enable the fish have a lot of juice and taste nice. So after doing this, you're going to make sure there are incisions on your fish and make sure you coat it properly. After doing this, so the next thing I did was to blend up my pepper. So I lost the clip, but I roasted my peppers before I had to blend them. So I used pepper, paprika, onion, ginger and garlic. So I blended them and I had to marinate this fish with it. So you have to do this, marinate so well. So you have to marinate it very well to make sure all the peppers are well combined in it, and I had to let it rest for 2 hours. So this is the vegetables I'm using. So I'm use any vegetable of your choice. You don't have to use my vegetables. So I'm trying to incorporate vegetables into our meal. So I use yam, carrot, and I don't know the name of this, forgotten the name of this other vegetable. So I topped it with a little bit of olive oil, some salt, and then I added my marinade, my pepper marinade on it, just to make it more tasteful. Guys, if you do this, you are going to be eating roasted yam every minute of the day, because this meal was so tasty and amazing. So you have to marinate it properly, make sure it's marinated. You can actually let it rest for a few minutes, then put everything in the oven. So you see me here, I am trying to put my meat in the oven, fish in the oven. So that is red wine and this is like a no-brainer. Please, you have to use red wine for your meal. Try it and tell me the outcome. So I wrapped it, covered it, and put it into the oven and let it cook for at least 30 minutes. This everywhere should be smelling now, oozing now, because this meal was so tasty. So here I had to layer all my vegetables on the tray because we needed it to be roasted. So I'm done, and I had to roast in 2 batches. So I had to put it in the oven and I roasted it for at least 20 minutes. So here it's 30 minutes and the fish was already cooked, but I had to open it, add more marinade, and this time around take it back into the oven, leaving it open. We're not going to cover it with foil this time around. So the remaining marinade, I had to fry it to make some sauce, and here it is ready. Let's plate this. Guys, please, if you watched up to this moment, what are you waiting for? Try and subscribe to this channel, okay? Subscribe, okay? You are going to be getting so much recipes. So this is the fish. You can see how it looks. It looks so amazing and it tasted so amazing that hubby had to ask that he wanted this dish again, because this is a no-brainer. Guys, try this recipe and tell me what you think about it. If you would like the recipe or you think you don't like it, let me know in the comment section. So here we're done and I had to plate it. You see me, to give it to hubby to have for lunch. So this was actually a Sunday lunch recipe, and I know it was so nice. So thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.